So on this video, we're going to learn how to draw a Venn diagram. So this question, it says that there is 420 learners in school. 120 learners play soccer, 260 learners play cricket, and 60 play both soccer and cricket. So then the first one says that draw a Venn diagram to represent this information. So this will be number one. Let's draw a Venn diagram. So inside this Venn diagram, we have to draw two circles. Since we have the event which is soccer and cricket, we have to draw two circles. So are those kinds of circles going to intersect or not intersect? In order for you to be able to know that, you have to look for the word both in the statement. So the word both is here. It means that we have to draw two circles. So here is our circles. So when we fill our things, we have to start in the middle, So we have to start with where they say both soccer and cricket. How many learners that are playing soccer and cricket? Is 60 of them. So we have to start with 60 here. I hope it's clear. And then for soccer, how many students are playing soccer? Is 190 of them. So are we going to write 190 here? No, we're not going to write 190 because we're going to overcount. So we're going to say 190 minus 60, which will give us 130. So we're going to write 130 so that when we add these two, we have to get this 190. And we're also going to do the same thing on the cricket. We're not going to say 260. We're just going to say 260 minus 60, which will give us 200 here. 200. So if we add this 260 and 130, does it give us 420? Okay, let's just add it here. That is 200 plus 130 plus 60, which give us approximately 370, So, but there is 420 student there, So we have to know how many that are left. So I'm just going to say 420 minus 370, which will get 30 in total that are left there. So where are we going to put this 30? We're going to put them outside the circle but inside the rectangle. So this is our Venn diagram and how to draw it. So now let's just answer the questions. So the first question is that if a learner is chosen at random, calculate the probability that that kind of learner will play soccer or cricket. So then this one, it will be for A. So the one for that are playing soccer or cricket. So when we talk about soccer or cricket, what does this mean? It means he either plays soccer or cricket or both. So we're going to add this 130 plus 60 plus 200, because we have to take all. And since this one is probability, we have to divide by some number of all this kind of sample space, which is 420. The total is 420 there. So this one, if you add the one that is up front, we're going to get 390 divided by 420, which will give you approximately 13 over 14. So going to letter B, which is this one, they want the probability of the learner displaying neither soccer nor cricket. So when we talk about neither one of those kind of stuff, we talk about the one that does not play either soccer or cricket or both. So where do we find those kinds of people? We find them outside the circles but inside the rectangle. So this one is state. So then the player that is playing neither soccer or cricket, we're going to find is 30 divided by 420, guys. If you don't understand this kind of language of probability, guys, I've made a video. This is the video. You can go and watch it. I'll add the link on the description so they can be able to go and watch it. So this one, if you put this on a calculator, you're going to get 1 over 14, So going to letter C, they want to know the probability of playing only one of the two of these kind of sports, They want to know the probability of playing only one of this kind. When they say only one, it means that there is no both, You can play soccer only or you play cricket only. So it means we're going to add this 130 and this 200. So we're going to, for the one that play only one sport, you can say only one sport, is going to be, we're going to add this 130 plus this 200 and we divide it with the total, which is 420. And then if you work this one out, you're going to get, at the front, you're going to get 330 divided by 420, which will give you 11 over 14. So going to letter D, I'll write it here. I hope it's clear. Going to letter D, they want to know the probability that does not play both sports, So They want to know the probability of someone who does not play both of these kinds of sports. You know, he does not play both. Like this way, he does not play. He either plays soccer only or cricket only, but he does not play both. You know, how are we going to play? Find them in our Venn diagram. Let's just take absolutely everything that is not both here. So there's something that is not both. This is not both, and this one is not both, and also this one. This is not. This question, guys, is very, very important because that's why they confuses a lot of you. But the only both here is this one is 60. So we're going to add this 130, 230, and this one. And then we're going to say the probability of not both soccer or cricket. We're going to say 130 plus 200 plus 30, which approximately was 420. So if you work the one that is up front, you're going to get 360 divided by 420. So if you plug this on a calculator, you're going to get 6/7. You know. So going to the last question. The last question is the one, the probability of playing both sports. So for both is very simple, playing soccer and cricket. So this one is going to be the one that is there in the middle, which is 60 divided by 420.